This is a Century Communities Plan Savannah. It's a brand new model. This one is actually the model home in the Woodland Hills. But let's go inside and take a look. See what this house looks like. Front covered porch. That's an 8-foot door. Wow. Big, beautiful study. Glass doors. Over here is a powder room for your guests. And a coat closet. This is big. Three chairs. Walk-in pantry, or you could step in there. Stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, nice deep tub. Got your dining room, living room. Tray ceilings. This would be the garage. Nice utility room. Coat closet. Covered patio on the back. It's a huge yard. Big master. And this is wide. It's a king-size bed and furniture on both sides, tray ceiling. Walk-in closet. Here's a linen closet right here. Bathroom. Separate tub shower. Toilet has a door. And another linen closet. Big game room. Wow, there's a lot of furniture in here. TV screen upstairs. That looks good. Beautiful bedroom. And a walk-in closet with a window. Double sink. Another full bathroom. There's a lot of light in here. And another walk-in closet. This is bedroom 4. And another walk-in closet. So we got 3 bedrooms upstairs. Full bathroom. Game room. Utility closet. Or you can put towels and sheets in there. And they have this big game room. And there you have it. Century Communities Plan, Savannah. This is the new model home. If you got any questions about it, let me know.